Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here today to do a quick unboxing for a collab that I'm doing with PandaHall. I thought I'd show you what I got, and then I will be back in future videos to let you see what I made with them. Okay, so first off, I got this die here, and if I remember right, this is like a slimline. This makes like a slimline envelope and card. And I don't have any slimline dies. I mean, of course I could just make them without a die, but this makes a really cute little, has like a little flap on the envelope, and it's got a little tassel and stuff that you can layer up, and so it's really cute. So it looks like it's got some, you can like tie the string with the dots, I mean with the circles, and it's got a really pretty scalloped edge for the card. Really pretty. It's got stitching, it's got layering pieces. So yeah, looking forward to putting this together. So I got that, and then I also chose this. So this is a steel roll die. I've never tried a steel roll die from any of these places, so I really wanted to see how it worked. So this one has, and I don't have a steel roll bow die, so it's got this one, and then a tree and a butterfly. So I'm excited to see how this cuts, and yeah, I'm hoping that I can use this on like the faux leathers and stuff that I get from Hobby Lobby and stuff. So I will let you know how that goes also. So there's that. And then lastly, I chose some of these. So this is came in this container like this. And these are really cute resin bows that have polka dots all over. I like polka dots. So it's got a lot of pale colors, and it's got some black and red, and yeah, some really cute things. So these would be fun to add on to some projects. So like I said, that's my quick unboxing for PandaHall, and yeah, I will be back to share what I made with these. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.